Hey, my name is Bruno Capuano. I am a cloud advocate in the .NET team. And hey, if you want to try an amazing large language model with Ollama in C#, learn how to use this in seconds, no hardware required, let me show you. Go to this repo that we have here, and let me show you how we can do this. So let's change the screen and let's take a look. So this is a repo. This is an amazing repo. That's the link. And the whole idea here is that this repo has content to basically allows you to learn how you can use Phi3, a great model that we have using C#. The first thing that we want to do is to create a code space here. So feel free to fork the repo and make it your own. And then let's go here to code space, and create a new code space. This is going to take a couple of seconds. Here we are. We have the code spaces up and running. And remember, if you have a GitHub account, you have several hours that you can use per month to run code spaces. In this scenario, the code spaces is created, have .NET installed. They have a lot of tools that we already have here. And the cool thing is that we already have Ollama. You want to know more about Ollama? Check the links in the code spaces, or go to ollama.com, where you can see that you can download for Macs, Linux, Windows, even install Ollama in a Docker image. And this is what we have here, Ollama installed in Docker. So let's zoom this a little and let's see what we have here. We have Ollama up and running, and we don't have any model. So let's get Phi3. Run the command Ollama run Phi3, and it's going to get the latest version that Ollama has in the library about the Phi3 models. This is going to take a couple of seconds. The model is ready. We can start to use it and ask questions like, in example, what is the capital of Italy? We are going to have an answer, and at any moment, the capital of Italy is Rome. That's perfect. And at any moment, we can close this. We can shoot down the running model of Ollama, literally saying bye. So let's wait a couple of seconds and let's close this. Oh my God, this is a long answer. Perfect. Let's leave this with the bye. So parts of the repository include samples with a sample chat that we have here. This is literally a side demo where we can see how we create a builder using semantic kernel and add the service locally here for doing chat with Ollama and the Phi model. Then we define this and we ask, write a very amazing joke about kittens using emojis. So let's run this program. A couple of ways that we can do this. I like to use the console for this one. So let's do CRC, then sample1, and once we are here, .NET run. Here we are, couple of seconds, and we have the joke. A bad joke, by the way. But hey, literally, in minutes, you can have an Ollama instance running in a code space, start to learn how you can use chat with C# and more. And there isn't even a RAG sample here, but I am going to record another short video for this in the future. I hope you like it. This is kind of the idea of what I wanted to show today, how you can use and test Ollama Phi3 with C# in minutes for free using code spaces. Thanks.